What's up, everybody? Welcome back to How It's Done. So we're here at a client of mine's house fixing their broken water main. It's a little over 2 feet in the ground. They called the city. City came out, said it wasn't on them. Fortunately, the city was nice enough to dig it up. So we just got here getting ready to get this put together. To do this, we're going to be using a slip union. If you've never seen these before, some people call them slip unions, or some people call them slip couplings, some people call them repair couplings. I'll leave a link in the description. They range anywhere from about $10 to $20, depending upon if it's 3/4, ½ inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inches. So yeah, check them out. Super easy to work with. What we're going to do first, we're going to use our Sawzall to cut off just to the right of the coupling. I can tell, you see a little bit what's happened is the ground has shifted. You can see that little dark line there just to the left of the coupling. That's where it's pulled itself out over time. So we're going to cut just to the right of the coupling here with the Sawzall, and then just to the left of the coupling. And we're going to go ahead and put this guy in place. Alright, so real quickly, here's a quick breakdown on how this coupling works. Or, you know, repair coupling, union, slip fitting, whatever you want to call it. This piece on one end will unscrew, but the whole thing unscrews. So it's going to have a washer inside here, gasket inside here. And then this piece expands out so that you can slide it right into your coupling on the other end of the pipe. And how that works is it's got two gaskets or O-rings, whatever you want to call them, inside here. And that makes it seal really good. So that when you're done and you've got this together, you can just slide this out, which is tricky to do with one hand. Slide that out, and like I said, you get about a good inch, maybe a little bit more, so that you can slide it right into the coupling and get it glued together and make your repairs without needing to make a humongous hole for the repairs. We went ahead and we cut the coupling off, and this other side just slid right out. You can see how they did not glue that all the way in the pipe, so that's clearly been part of the problem here. And then on this slip union, we got the first piece glued in here. We had enough play where we could just push the pipe to the side. Otherwise, I would do a test fit and see where I needed to cut it short. So what we'll do is we'll let this set up for about a minute or so. And then we'll go in and we're going to cut the existing in-ground pipe about 1 inch past where the pipe on the slip coupling ends when it's pressed in. So we'll cut that, get it cleared out, clean it, put some PVC primer on it. You always want to use primer when you're gluing PVC together. It just gives you a tighter bond, especially when you're doing in-ground stuff. And then I'm using the hot set, quick setup. It takes about 10 minutes for it to solidify completely where you can put it under pressure. Definitely recommend this. So we'll go in, we'll cut this loose. We'll put a coupling on the end of the pipe that's coming out of the ground, because that's the most likely to get dirt and debris in it. And then we'll prime and glue the other two ends, the coupling and then the slip joint, and we'll slide them in together. Right, so you can see we've got our PVC coupling on the left there put on. Now all we've got to do is take this piece, we're going to glue it, prime it, glue it. Already got the primer in the coupling, so we'll put some glue in there. And then we'll push this piece down and slide it right into the coupling and give it a little bit of a twist. When you twist it, the fibers that are joining together, it will actually lock in a lot better. So I like to give it a good 1/4 inch twist whenever I'm gluing pipe together, and let it sit for 10 minutes, and we'll turn the water back on and give it a good test. Water supply's back on, let it sit for a good 10-15 minutes, and we have no leaks. So it's a good idea to open up your cold water supply on the tub so that any dirt or debris that might have gotten in this can be flushed out.
On the tub.
Oh yeah, on the tub, because you're not going to have an aerator on your tub. It's not going to collect a bunch of the debris. And doing it from the cold water side, you're not going to be flushing a bunch of dirt or debris into your water heater. So if you like videos like this, like and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Click that notification bell. And we'll see you on the next one.